Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to check for text on a web page, like particular words or phrases. So before you get started, you'll need to use LWP Simple here. If you've not already got that, you can import it through CPAN. Okay, so here we go. So I'm going to create a subroutine. It's going to be called text on page. We're going to print enter URL. So we're going to enter the URL of the web page. We're going to use chomp my scalar URL, scalar variable, and assign it to standard input. So we're going to get the input from the user. And we're going to create a variable called my scalar content. And we're going to assign it to get scalar URL. So we're going to get the content, we're going to store it in that scalar variable there. And then we're going to print another message to the user telling them to enter text. So you're going to search for like phrases or words or keywords on that particular site. So let's enter text. And what we're going to do is we're going to get the input from the user again, so that's going to be scalar text, and assign that to standard input. Right, and now we're going to do the if conditional. If defined, if the content is defined, we are going to match it. Again, we're going to use an if conditional here, so this is going to be if and the scalar content, and I'm just going to have to get something here. Should got a little bit of a problem with my keyboard here. I don't have this character for some reason. It just doesn't seem to work. So what I should have done is I should have put that up there and saved it up there. So we'll save it up there. So if the scalar content here matches, this is a bit of regex for you, the text that we've entered, we're going to tell the user print page contains, it's going to be scalar text there. So that word or phrase is on the page, or else if it's not, we're going to tell the user that. Else print page doesn't contain scalar text. Okay, let's just save it and let's just call the program. Let me just neaten this up a little bit. I'll call the program down here, so it's going to be text on page. Let's do it proper. So it should be HTTPS. Okay, that's better, I think. Text, teaching, hit enter. Page contains teaching. So let's run it again. And I'm going to enter the same URL. Okay, I'm going to type in rocket. Page doesn't contain rocket, so there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. Hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button now, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.